Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on MailerLite for beginners. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, go to MailerLite's website and create an account. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard where you can access all the features: campaigns, automation, subscribers, forms, and more. To create a campaign, click on the Campaigns tab and then Create Campaign. Choose Regular Campaign to start. Next, to set up automation, click on the Automation tab and select Create Workflow. To manage subscribers, go to the Subscribers tab and import your email list. You can upload a CSV file or connect through an integration. For creating landing pages, go to the Landing Pages tab, click Create Landing Page, and choose a template. Customize it to match your brand and publish it. To integrate with other tools, go to the Integrations section and connect MailerLite with platforms like Shopify, WordPress, or Zapier to streamline your email marketing efforts. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.